Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and I'm so pleased that you've chosen to join me for this video. It is Friday, which means we have a technique for you today. And I have something a little bit different in the fact that it's not really technique-y, but I wanted to talk about this particular set of stamp and dies that I've used to make this card and to create this sentiment. So it's less of a stamping technique and more of a fun card idea. So the stamp set and dies I'm talking about are the Amazing You stamp set and the Celebrate You thinlits, of course from Stampin' Up, and available completely for free during Sale-a-bration. Now these products are just awesome in the fact that they are two Sale-a-bration items that coordinate together, but they are a little bit more than that. So this is our Sale-a-bration catalogue for 2018. I can't believe we're in 2018 already. I know that we're over halfway through January. I don't really know where the time's going. I don't know what's going on. I haven't got a clue. Don't know whether I'm in York or Cork half the time anyway, and yeah. So if you turn to page 16 and 17 in your Sale-a-bration catalogue, you will find these two fabulous products. Now, Amazing You has one of the little pool coloured tags on it that says this is free with a £45 order. So you can spend £45 in either the brand new Spring Summer catalogue or the annual catalogue that's still got some fabulous things in it. You spend £45 in either of those catalogues and you can choose to grab this stamp set for free. Now, the die set across the page has a little orange tag on it that says free with a £90 order. Now, that is what Stampin' Up are calling level 2 Sale-a-bration products, which is slightly confusing, and I will, it is a bit confusing. So, £45 items that have got a little pool coloured tag that say free with a £45 order are level 1. And the ones with the little orange tag that say free with a £90 purchase are level 2. And there is these fabulous set of dies and the Happy Wishes stamp set. So, to get both of these items you need to spend £135, basically. And you get to choose these fabulous things for free. Now there is more to Sale-a-bration than just free products for £45. There is a fabulous host offer. If you host a party that spends more than £200, or if you put an order in on your own of more than £200, you'll get an extra £20 stamping rewards. So that is 10% of your normally for a £200 order you'd get 10% of that as well as stamping rewards. That's £20 plus £20. So if you spend £20, you'll get at least £40 worth of Stampin' Up products for free, plus 4 Sale-a-bration items. That's pretty cool. And then there is the fabulous joining offer that I will and can wax lyrical about all day long, but I think we should probably get stamping before I bore you all to death. So, this is the card for today, and I'm going to talk about these sentiments because they're lovely. But I am going to do this little bit of multi-colour stamping first, and I was going to do this off camera, but I've got to admit that I have prepped a number of videos today. I would like to count them all up, but I think I might actually die before I get to the number because there's quite a few. And yeah, in prepping them all, I've then forgotten to do the extra bits of prep that I was planning. So I'm going to show you how to do this instead. So I have got this stamp, which is from that Amazing You stamp set, and I love this. It's such a lovely, pretty image. And I've grabbed 3 Stampin' Right markers. So I've got Old Olive, Smoky Slate, and Blackberry. I was going to call it Blackberry Bliss. That's been retired a couple of years now. Berry Burst. And we're going to colour the stamp with the markers and stamp onto the piece of Whisper White. So, dead easy. Stampin' Right marker has 2 ends. It has a fine tip end that is great for use with your Memories and More cards. And there is a brush tip. Now you're going to need you use the side of the brush tip to colour your rubber stamps. So, like that. Don't do that way because you'll damage the tip, but if you use the side, I'm just going to side of the marker, and you're just going to colour the red rubber. Now, start off with the lightest colour first, hence why I've started with Smoky Slate, and then work to your darkest colour. The ink will dry on the rubber, but it's okay. It's okay because we can re-moisten it again really, really simply. So I'm going to just colour the leaves in Old Olive. And then I've got the Berry Burst for the flower. Just like that, big sweepy movements. You do need to get a fair amount of ink on. If you don't ink enough is when you'll get sort of stripy images. So that has started to dry on that stamp. I'm going to breathe on it. Re-moisten that ink. And I'm going to stamp it down and straight up. And there is multi-turner stamping. Now I'm going to do the other two off camera. So hold on a second. Okay, so I've stamped all three of those flowers. Very pretty, really quick, really easy. That didn't take me very long at all. And then we just need to add our sentiment. Now, this stamp set and the dies come with similar words. So you've got the dies that say amazing you and celebrate. And we've got amazing you and celebrate in the stamp set as well. But we've got another couple of phrases that just help pull it together. So I'm going to use the let's celebrate being the die and you. And you can then alter those. And so I could have let's celebrate stamped. I could have you die cut. I could have you are simply amazing in the die. There's lots you can do and lots of ways you can play around with it. I have a whole class planned with these two products. Aren't you so excited about that? Because I am. As my Facebook class for February. So if you want to see heaps and heaps and heaps of ideas, do check out my Facebook page. The link is in the down bar below. It's always there. It's there on all of my videos. And there will be an event. And if you click on the event, it will say that you're coming, so that you're going to be there. The Facebook will then very kindly remind you of when I go live. You can either join me there and then, or it will remind you that you need to watch me at a later date, and that's absolutely fine. Or if you miss the live, I do post it here onto YouTube the Sunday after. So I think my next Facebook live is the 6th of February, so it'll be the Sunday after that. So I have already gone ahead and die cut the Celebrate out of Berry Burst cardstock. And before I die cut it, I did pop some of the multi-purpose adhesive sheet on the back, and this stuff's great. You peel off the side with the words on it, stick it onto the cardstock, die cut it, and you then have self-adhesive cardstock. It's amazing. I think it's like making your own stickers. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to peel off the backing. I've just cut my fingernails before I started to film because I had one really short one and the rest were really long, so I thought I'll cut them all off and then they don't look odd. But I now need my pokey tool to get under anything, so we're gonna just stick that down there like so, and then I just need the rest of my sentiments. So I've got the let's and the you, and I've got my Smoky Slate ink pad, and I'm going to grab the let's stamp first. This is one of those scary moments where I am going to stamp straight onto my card. Let's and you, and that is my fun video for Technique Friday. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget that you can choose anything at all out of this book when you spend either £45 or £90 for those final two items. Do check out the joining offer if you've got a wish list of over £90 because it's so worth doing. And I will see you again next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.